Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So last week I talked about immunity boosting foods, and this week I'm going to show you an easy way to eat them. So whenever I'm wanting something quick and nutritious, smoothies are my go-to. You can throw everything in the blender, blend it up, and you're good to go. And today I'm going to show you how to make my body boosting smoothie. So not only is it good for your immune system, but it'll help boost your energy levels and just your overall health because there's so much good stuff in here. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start with a non-dairy milk. You can use any kind of almond milk, cashew milk. You could even use water if you don't have milk. Then I'm going to add in the leafy greens. And kale is, again, part of the cruciferous vegetable family, which when you eat this, it helps to boost your natural killer cells, that means whenever you come into contact with like viruses or diseases, your good cells are turned on to help fight that. So we'll add those in. And then I'm going to add wild blueberries. So you can add regular blueberries if you want. I'm actually using frozen blueberries because whenever blueberries aren't in season, they don't taste as good and they're actually not as nutritious. And frozen blueberries are actually picked at prime, and so at the peak of the season, so they taste so much better. Then I'm going to add in some dates. So dates are probably one of my favorite foods. They are so nutritious, packed with iron and magnesium and fiber, but they also give the smoothie a sweetness. And I don't know about you, but I'm not a huge fan of tasting my kale, and this kind of helps like mask the flavor of kale. Then I'm going to add flax seeds. So I like to use flax seeds because they are packed with a cancer-fighting compound called lignans. And lignans, they're in a lot of plant foods, but flax seeds have more than any of the foods out there. So this is something that I try to add every day. Then I'm going to add a little bit of ginger. I suggest, it's pretty potent, so I suggest if you're not used to ginger to just add a little bit of it. I also love smoothies because it's a great way to get in nutrition for kids. But with the ginger, I say just start with a little bit because sometimes that can be a little potent for kids. So now we've got everything in and we're going to blend it all together. And within just a couple of minutes, you can see you'll have a delicious snack. This one actually is pretty thick, so if you want it thinner, add a little bit more of the liquid, but it's almost thick like a good milkshake, and kids love it. This is my son, Rowan. Rowan, you want to try it? How is it?
Okay.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see you guys next time.